You have a message you want to share. You want others to see it, to enjoy it, to begin to comprehend. Such was the mission of the architects for the Pojoaque Pueblo in New Mexico. Not only did they want to build a successful, world-class casino, but they also wanted a design that would expand on their heritage and serve as a home for Native American art. Enter the imagination. The swirls, the curves, the look of nature as it flows and leads you on. The relaxing thrill of beauty as found in landscapes and skyscapes. But how to actually build these visions, these hoped-for vistas? Using thousands of feet of Flex-C Trac, they were able to bring these dreams to reality. For the world to share, to see, to walk among, to enjoy. They simply drew their designs on the floor, shaped and secured the Flex-C Trac in that shape, and raised it up to its home. Signs of nature, signs of life. Strength in design, in execution. Swirling clouds. Inviting interludes. And alluring, exciting colors. All work together to establish this as a solid expression of the message, the strong beauty they hope to share. Flexibility concepts, the curved wall people, making your dreams a possibility, a reality. Visit the Flexibility Concepts website to see photos of other curved framing applications and other projects at www.flexabilityconcepts.com.